Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about how can we find the items which is occurring most number of times in any given sequence. So here I have already initialized a list which is holding many items. You can see that news is coming multiple times, happy is coming 2 times, good is coming just 1 time. So how can we figure out that which item is coming most? So for that I am going to use a module collections. So from collections import, and here I need to say counter. Okay, so the next thing which we need to do is we need to get the count of each and every item. So I will create a variable items count, and the function name is counter, which will take our sequence as an input. And this is the variable top which is going to handle our query, result of our query. So item counts dot most common. So let's say you are looking for the item which is appearing very much. So here I am saying top. If I will run this, you can see that in output we are getting news and 5, because news is the item which is appearing 5 times. Let's say you want the list of 2 items which are appearing very frequently. So we can say 2, and you will see that the news is coming 5 times and happy is coming 2 times. Let me give something like 4. So here you can see happy is coming 2 times, games 2 times, good 1 time. So these are the 4 items which are appearing the most. So this is how you can calculate the most frequent item. I hope you enjoyed watching this short video, and thanks for watching.